Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a review on this striping tape that I got from Born Pretty store. It was sent for review, so there's a 10% off code down below as well if you'd like to buy anything from the website. So this is the rose gold tape. You get 4 pieces in it. So the first 2 are the same size, they are 1mm. Now you see that first one is the glitter version. And then this one is just your sort of flat metallic version. You then step up to a 2mm and then the 3mm. So that is the 4 that you get in the pack. And anybody that's tried these striping tapes before, you know that these last a really long time as well. I'm just going to do a gel polish nail today and we'll do a quick design using this tape. So this is just a gel polish that I have finished curing, and that is it now out of the lamp. So we're going to get started with applying the tape. So when you first get it, you'll find that it has a piece easy for you to find the end. After you've cut a piece off, I recommend folding it back in itself or twisting it round so it comes into the inside here, just so you can actually find the end again the next time you use it. I find cuticle nippers are the easiest thing to use to cut it as well. I'm just pressing it down firmly so that it attaches to the nail. You'll notice that when I've placed it and when I've cut it, it's not all the way to the end of the nail, there is a little bit of a gap. Now over the top, I'm just going to apply the gel polish top coat. So that cured in the lamp, and I'm just removing the tacky layer. It does actually finish to be quite smooth, even though you would think with being the glitter it might be a little bit of thicker tape. Even just feeling it on the roll itself, there's not a heavy grit to it, so if you're one of those that was maybe worried about this being really irritable on the nails, I would say no, you can't really feel it at all, which is great. It was easy to use, just as easy as any other striping tape. It's just nice to mix it up and have some glitter variation in there. So yeah, if you guys check out below, you'll find the link to this item. There's also a 10% off code for the website as well if you do fancy buying anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.